This was like unlocking a forgotten method that nobody was paying attention to, and the outcome seriously delivered. It gave off major old-school crypto vibes, the kind of momentum that makes newer launches feel watered down. I'll show you the full breakdown of how I pulled it off, step by step. When I first jumped into crypto, I was tossing cash at anything trending, just hoping it would blow up. That plan flopped quick. My portfolio sank fast. I used to laugh it off, but deep down, I knew I needed a smarter approach. That's when I stumbled on a super basic method. No hype, no complex apps, just a few reliable steps. The key? I stuck with it every single day. It wasn't a fluke, just consistent effort. Before I knew it, those early losses turned into 10 times returns. Let me walk you through how I did it. But before we go full speed into this, I need to give you a quick warning. Trust me, it could save you from running into issues later. I know you're excited and ready to jump in, but this heads up might really help. When you first land on Pump Fun, it looks super beginner friendly, smooth layout, easy to use, and honestly feels like a no-brainer. But don't be fooled. Under the hood, there's a lot more happening than you'd think. So before we get into the main steps, let's go over some key background stuff that'll help you avoid any surprises. Open up Photon and active the Pump Fun filter. The interface goes crazy with new tokens showing up all over the place. It might feel like you've just dropped into a live crypto showcase. Looks exciting? Sure, but be careful. The truth is, most of these tokens crash and burn quick. Because it's so easy to launch them now, there's a constant wave of new ones. And only a few will survive. That's why you need to learn how to spot the quality stuff hidden in the mix. Now switch over to the Raydium filter. Once you do, the token list refreshes and things start to look a lot cleaner. Right away, you'll notice it feels more structured, and the tokens that pop up seem way more solid. This is where legit projects start to show up. You'll spot better trading volume, steady liquidity, and realistic market caps. I'll take you through it step by step so you don't miss a beat. Okay, first step is crafting your logo. I used Canva. It's super straightforward, especially for beginners, and makes it easy to whip up a clean, minimal look. For your concept, choose something popular or that personally speaks to you. I found this funny raccoon meme named Pedro on TikTok the other day, and honestly, it's perfect for the coin I'm making today. As soon as the image loads, make sure it's the right size. 128 by 128 pixels. If it looks a bit rough or low quality, take a moment to clean it up. Once it's sharp and neat, save it and continue to the next part. I used to think creating a token was only possible if you were deep into coding or had serious blockchain knowledge. It honestly felt out of my league. But then I found Launchtool, and that flipped the script. It's designed for regular people. No programming needed, no need to understand all the behind-the-scenes stuff. If you've ever uploaded a photo to your profile, you're good to go. The platform walks you through everything one step at a time. I've done it multiple times now, and it's honestly second nature at this point. After your token goes live, the next step is locking in your liquidity. Head over to Raydium and begin setting up your liquidity pool from the ground up. The platform's layout gives you everything you need to make it happen. Okay, first things first. Copy your contract address and paste it into the user token section in Raydium. For the token symbol, type Pedro and set Pedro Coin as the full name. Don't forget to hit Add User Token so it locks into the system. When it's time to provide liquidity and you're working with 1 billion tokens, drop around 900 million into the pool alongside some Solana. This pairing helps make your token more stable when it hits the trading scene. To add liquidity, first hit max to use your entire Solana balance. But before you finalize, make sure to subtract 0.2 Solana. This reserve covers transaction fees. Skipping this could cause your transfer to fail. Once that's sorted, apply a 2% fee on your token, or adjust it to whatever rate fits your plan. This fee strikes a nice balance. It's low enough not to drive traders away, but still supports steady project growth. Almost finished. Press the Initialize Liquidity Pool button to get things going. When your Phantom Wallet notification appears, confirm the transaction. Give it a moment to complete, and there you have it. Your token is officially active on Solana. You've successfully created your own token without any issues. Now fire up Photon again and be sure the Raydium filter is switched on. When it's working, you'll spot your token in the listings. A clear sign the launch went through and your coin is officially on the market. To check how your token is performing, open DEX Screener and load any token chart you like. Once it's loaded, replace the contract address in the URL with your token's address and press enter. You'll see your token's price and stats pop up right away. If you want, you can also just type your coin's name in the search bar to find it quickly. When the chart loads, you'll probably see the price jumping all over the place quickly. That's mostly bots trading back and forth to snatch up small gains fast. It can look pretty crazy at first, but this kind of wild movement is normal for fresh launches, and it can actually work in your favor early on. Getting involved from the very start really helps. The first big surge keeps things steady and smooth. If you come in late, gaining momentum gets trickier. Once your investment is placed, it begins making returns, and you'll watch those rewards add up. Then all that's left is to chill and see how it rolls out. Only 10 minutes have gone by since adding liquidity, and we've already caught a few strong payments. That's the action we want right out the gate. The chart's beginning to reflect solid market cap, good liquidity, and rising volume. All we need to do now is stay committed to the flow. We're 20 minutes in now, and new payments are still rolling through. That's giving our market cap and liquidity a nice boost. The volume's picking up pace too, which is a great sign. Let's keep watching the flow for a while before we make our next move. We're past the 31-minute mark, and there have been some solid new payments rolling in. Market caps and liquidity are in a strong spot, and volume's looking good too, which means it's a good time to pull the funds and send them to your wallet. I'll guide you step by step how you can do it without any issues. Start by connecting your wallet to Raydium, ensuring it's the exact same wallet that you originally linked when creating your token. This step typically takes just a few seconds. Next, go over to the Portfolio tab and select the Standard View. This option shows all your tokens neatly laid out for easy access. Sometimes your tokens won't appear right away, so don't worry. Liquidity can take about 10 to 15 minutes to fully update and be visible on your dashboard. Once your tokens show up, click the minus sign next to your liquidity pool to remove all of it in one go. Make sure you have Solana selected as the token you want back. Finally, hit the Remove Liquidity button and approve the Phantom Wallet confirmation when it pops up. The removal process should complete smoothly within a few seconds. When the transaction is complete, a message will pop up confirming it was successful. Then check your wallet to verify your balance has been updated properly. As you can see, things turned out exactly as expected. Profits appear as they should, and the setup is solid. This strategy provides reliable results if you keep at it. With the market heating up, now's a smart time to join in. Best of all, you can repeat this process anytime you want. Momentum's building. Everything's coming together well, and if you stay consistent, you'll start seeing results soon. Just to be clear, I'm not sponsored by Launchtool, Photon, or Raydium. I'm sharing what actually worked for me. You'll find all the info and links you might need in the description or pinned comment.